Hello and welcome to the short intro of the Physics Mechanics Solver program from MCStutoring.com. An AP Physics student from India asked for the program to more closely align with the AP Physics 1 curriculum, so here's the result. You'll notice the topic menus cover kinematics, projectiles, dynamics, work energy, momentum, circular motion, springs, pendulum, gravitation, collisions, impulse, and concept help. Also within each topic, there are help menus defining each variable and offering guidance to show how all the equations work. We'll delve into the kinematics menu so you can see it in action. Let's select the first one, V equals VO plus AT. Notice how each variable is defined and you can solve for any missing variable. Let's solve for V. So you'll input VO, A, and T, and then you'll have your answer. So the good news is, once you buy the program, you'll have free updates for life, and you can contact me to ask for changes and additions to the program. Students are asking for improvements all the time. Be civil and patient, and you'll likely have what you want within 2 to 3 weeks. Take care, and good luck with your physics.